everyone, welcome to Shubham's Canvas. In this video we are going to see how to download and install the VS Code in our Windows 11 PC. It is a very popular text editor by Microsoft used for writing codes in different languages such as C, C++, Java, Python, etc. So let's go to our computer screen and find out how to download and install VS Code. In your computer, open any browser. So I am opening Google Chrome here. You can use any other browser. Now in the search box type VS Code. After that, the first link that opens up, Visual Studio Code, Code Editing Redefined, click on it. Now here you see a download button, click on it. This page opens up which shows you various options for various systems. We are going to download for Windows, so we will click on Windows, and as soon as we click on it, our download will begin. So it will take about 9 or 10 seconds to download. So let's wait for some time. Once the download is complete, double click on it. So a setup window will open up like this. After that, we will click on I accept the agreement and then click on next button. So this is the location where VS Code is going to install. If you want to change, you can change it here by clicking on the browse button, but we are not going to change it now, so we click on next. After that, if we want to select a different folder, so we can use any other name by selecting on browse, left it as it is. After that, click on the create a desktop icon and then click on next button and then click on install. So it is preparing to install all the files. We will wait for some time so that it extracts all its files. It will take 1 or 2 minutes to extract all the files. Now the setup is now complete, so we will click on finish. So here you will see an icon of Visual Studio Code. Double click on it to open it. So this is your Visual Studio Code. So here you will see browse color themes. Click on it. After that, you can select from various color themes for your Visual Studio Code. So I am selecting the dark modern and then click on mark done. After that, click on new file and then on text file. So here you can start writing code in any language. Okay, so in this way you can download and install the Visual Studio Code. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel, and I am also going to launch a HTML web development course. So keep liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.